I've been a technical agronomist for Bayer for about 5.5 years. In the last month, I took the role to be the agronomy lead for Preceon short corn, and it kind of all ties in with the fact that Preceon is a system, right? And we have all these different management practices that we can unlock with short corn. And the cool thing about it is, obviously I lived through the derecho of 2020. A lot, most of the mini growers in Iowa lived through that and experienced what wind can do to corn plant. The huge benefit with Preceon is it reduces the potential for wind damage in corn. But what gets me more excited is all the agronomy stuff that it unlocks.